One of the types of text that you can add in inside of Adobe Premiere Elements is rolling text. So to do that, you need to go around under the text menu, and then what you need to do is go around under new text right here. Then what you need to do is, instead of selecting default text, simply select default role. And what happens is that you add in a role text right here. So if I were to go around and play this right here, then you'll be able to see that it actually rolls out right here just like this by default. So you can go around and double click and add in your own content just like this right here. So you can see that there's the scroll bar right here, and you can just go around and add in text as you like right here. So let me just go around and add in, let's say for example, tutor tube right here just like this, and I'm going to go around and say keep on watching. So this is actually good for credits at the end, but I'm just going to go around and then add in this and keep on learning right here. So let me just go around and add in keep on watching, keep on learning right here, and then I'm going to go around and delete out all of these right here. Then this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and copy it right here, and then press enter and add in the text right here just like this. I'm going to go around and add in the text right here just like this, and as I scroll down you can see that this is the text that I have right here. You can go around and of course change around the boldness, or you can go around and change around the font of this as well according to how you want. You can utilize this and move this around right here, or maybe center line this, as you can see, and this is what you have, as you can see. So let me just go around over here and keep this right around over here just like this. So you can go around and bring this down right here, and then also add in, let's say for example, a bit of shapes over here just like this, and then you can see that this is how it scrolls down. So now if I were to go around onto the timeline and press the play button, then you can see that there's this rolling text right here just like this, and there's the shape as well. So just like this, you can see that it moves from top to the bottom right here. You can also go around and expand this and it becomes slow right here just like this. What you can also do is you can go around over here onto the clip right here just like this, and then what you can do is let's say for example, I'm just going to go around over here and you can see that there's the clip and so forth. You can go around and apply other effects over here as per how you like as well, like this. So that is how you can add in the role text inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.